Oregon Governor Kate Brown said the COVID vaccine is working and driving down infections in our state.
Thanks in large part to vaccinations, we've seen a sharp decline in our case counts and hospitalizations.
And because of that, the governor is ready to talk specifics about what will happen next. When Oregon hits 70% of 18-year-olds and above with at least one COVID shot, the county risk framework will be ended. All county-based metrics will also be ended. County health safety restrictions will be ended, and most mask and physical distancing rules will be ended as well. The governor will also end capacity restrictions for businesses, which can fill up again, and vaccination verification will be a thing of the past. There are a few exceptions for the mask rules at airports, on public transit, and in healthcare settings. Governor Brown also announced schools will be expected to open in the fall to in-person teaching 5 days a week, and that some safety rules are being revised, that masks will still be required for employees who are unvaccinated and work at schools or in daycare settings. But overall, most of the restrictions we've lived with since the virus invaded Oregon and Southwest Washington will be gone.
This means we will be able to return to the activities and traditions we have missed for more than a year.
The governor also invited Dr. Louis Davion, a lung specialist in Bend, to talk about what he's seen. He said over the last 3 months, 95% of those hospitalized with COVID were not vaccinated, and 97 of the 98 people who died from COVID at St. Charles Hospital were not vaccinated.
The numbers and our experience on the ground are bearing out the findings that vaccinations are incredibly effective, even better than we hoped for when we first started rolling them out.
The governor dodged a question on whether the vaccine lottery has lived up to expectations. Our study of the daily vaccination numbers reveal a serious downward trend of new people getting that first shot. The governor urged anyone who has not received their first shot to make it a priority now.
This has really become a tale of two pandemics. If you are vaccinated, then you're protected and you can carry on safely without wearing a mask and social distancing. However, if you are not vaccinated, this virus still poses a very real threat.
Governor Brown said the state is going to be rolling out some surprise incentives that she hopes will encourage people who still haven't gotten the shot to make it a priority and go get it. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.